bag, sis. I'm in my bag, sis. What? Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Whew, this is an exciting video. Before we get started, definitely make sure if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Turn your notifications on right now. Like, do it now. Do it now, shorty. Do it now, dude. Do it now, mom, dad, grandpa, uncle, cousin, whoever's watching. Go ahead and subscribe right now. This is an exciting video, y'all. I am hyped. Okay? Make it rain. Hey, clear it out. Hey, make it rain. Hey, clear it out. Yeah. This is an exciting video, y'all. Oh my God. I finally, are you ready? I got a Louis Vuitton purse. Yes, I got a Louis Vuitton purse. I already had the Louis Vuitton keychain thing. You know, I got that at the end of February. And I told y'all I was going to get me a Louis Vuitton purse. I said it was going to happen. I didn't know when it was going to happen, but I am going to make sure I can get a Louis Vuitton purse. And I finally got one, okay? So I'm going to show you guys today the Louis Vuitton bag that I picked out from Louis. So yeah, I have a Louis Vuitton to show you guys today. I'm super excited. I worked very hard for this. I want to tell you right now, I did not take from my kids to get this. I did not take from my house to get this. No household expenses were harmed. No kids' accounts were touched for this. I made sure if I had something like this in my life, that was something that was extra and was put aside for. Everything's paid. I don't have to worry about any payments on it or anything. It's mine. This is my boo. This is mine. And I worked really hard for her. So yeah, this shows the hard work and dedication I pulled in this year. And y'all, I'm excited. So it looks just like this, the box that it comes in. It says Louis Vuitton. And to make this video a little bit more special, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert Grace opening the box, because Grace is the one who actually, she saw the box come in. It was a big box. They knocked at the door because of course you got signed for it and everything. And Grace saw the box come in and she said, mine, mine, mine. And she wanted to open it, so she got to open it. So let's cut to Grace opening it.
It's something in that bag, huh? What's in there?
A new purse.
Yes.
Wait, what's it to? A new purse.
Hey, be careful with that purse.
As you see, Grace opened everything up, so it's already open. So the bag's not in here. You got a little sneak peek of it, of the bag. But I just wanted to show you again that it has a little duster, because I actually already wore the bag. Oopsie. And then you get your Louis Vuitton receipt and everything in here. And it has your authenticity in here as well. If you wanted to send it back for some reason, it has return shipping label as well. I will not be sending mine back. This is the purse I've been wanting forever. And it says, you have worked so hard. You deserve this, is my card that I sent with it. You worked so hard. You deserve this. Sometimes you need to treat yourself. Even if you're buying yourself just a pair of underwear once every time you get paid, something. Buy yourself something. You deserve it. You work hard, okay? And I'm not saying go buy you an LV every week. No, because y'all, I saved for a long time to make sure I can afford an LV. Like, I told y'all about it back in what, February? It's now August. Yeah, I just didn't say I'm going to get an LV today. No, it was a process. Now that we wasted 3 minutes, let's just show her. This is my LV, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is the Graceful MM. I wanted the Graceful MM because it's more kind of like a hobo bag. And it's like a more mom-friendly bag. Everything I need can fit directly into this bag. This is actually not the print I wanted. I wanted the print that matched my wallet, but I couldn't get over how the inside of that one was red. I could not get over it. I'm not a red person. I don't like a lot of red, so I just couldn't do it. I seen that this one, the inside was peony, and I do love peony, and the color is so pretty. I had to have it. And the funny thing is, back in February when I told you guys I was going to end up getting a purse from Louis Vuitton, I went on Mecari and I ordered the Graceful Mm Organizer. So this is what the organizer looks like. It's in peony and it fits right into the Graceful MM. And again, I got this directly off Mecari from a seller. And I think I paid like 30 bucks for it because I knew that this purse was going to be mine. I was going to have this purse. So before I even got the purse, I ordered an organizer for it, okay? Because I knew that God was gonna make sure I had this purse because it was one of my dream items of the year. So I got this organizer. It's really, really pretty. It only cost me about 30 bucks, so that's not bad. And it's been in the purse since I got it. Like, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I didn't like this strap at first. I'm not gonna lie, the strap with this one and the tag to it, because it has the tag. I do want to get the tag stamped with a T, you know, for Tina, or, you know, I don't know. We'll see. I'll see. But I'll probably get a stamp with a T for Tina. But at first I didn't like this strap. I like the strap of the, I think it's called the Mirabine or whatever it's called. But I like the strap on that one because it was the brown and then the tag was brown as well. But the more I look at this one and I see that, you know, it's some of the fuchsia color that's going around the band a little bit, it makes me actually like the purse a little bit more. And I've been getting used to it, y'all, and it's a pretty nice purse. Now, the reason why I didn't want the I think it's a PM in it is because it was too short. Like, it went up too far up the armpit. This one is actually perfect length for me. It doesn't go down way too far and it's not way too up my armpit. It's just the perfect bag for a mom on the go. I can put everything in here. Like, look how big this bag is. I can fit everything in here. I'm not gonna tell you how much this bag costs. You can do your research and find out. But to me, it was reasonable compared to some of the prices on there. Whew, yeah, it's very reasonable. I will be doing a what's in my purse video. That way I can show you more about the bag. It's a magnetic closure, so it closes just like that, and that's all it needs to close. It also has a zipper here as well. I'm gonna get another purse for a while, which is fine, but I was so happy to have this in my life. This is something I can use every day, every season, and I think that's probably what makes me like this strap a little bit more, because I can use this strap every season and it's just always in style because this print is always in style. It's just so me. This bag says Tina. Like, you know, when it comes to choosing a bag, you have to think, what bag says you? What bag just says and screams you? And this bag screams and says Tina Marie. This video is not to brag, it's not to boast. I just wanted to show you guys my new purse. I don't have a lot of friends here, so, you know, y'all are my friends and y'all wanted to see it anyway. Y'all was asking me, when the video about the purse coming out? Y'all showed the purse on IG. You gonna show it in the video? So yeah, this is her, the Graceful MM, and so far I am loving her. She is perfect for me. I'm wrapping it up. I'm out of here, but you guys have a great day. If you had a Louis Vuitton bag that you have in mind that you want, definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you saved up and you got your LV, how did you save up to afford a Louis Vuitton bag? I think that's very important, is how we go over how to save for a Louis Vuitton bag. If y'all want a video on that, definitely let me know, because it's easy to go in debt for stuff and it's hard to get out of debt. So if you don't want to go in debt for a purse, I say save your coin, save it really fast. You know what I mean? So still pay your bills and all that, and then just save the coin so you can afford it. I know a lot of things will say, oh, do this with the money, do that with the money. But if you took care of all that and you had that surplus and you can afford it, and you had that savings that could go towards it, girl, go get you a bag. Don't let nobody tell you anything. I'm in my bag, sis. Okay? I'm in my bag, sis. Period. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.